Remember, today is a girl's birthday, so do not forget to show her some love. Hello lovely people, today is my birthday. Like, I'm not actually filming this video today. I actually filmed it 25th of June, but you are watching it today, which is the 1st of July. Like, I've not really filmed a birthday makeup tutorial, and I decided to just do a birthday makeup tutorial, which is this. You're seeing it right here. So I hope you guys like the look, as you can tell, because I'm really loving this makeup look right here, and the shimmers are exactly right where they're supposed to be. Yes, so without wasting any of your time, let's just jump right into this look right here.
Some trouble when he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no more. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no more. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me.
And this is our final look. I hope you guys like it and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also leave me a cool comment down below. Remember, today is a girl's birthday, so do not forget to show her some love. Also, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.